If you're still doing repetitive work on your computer manually, you're wasting hours every single week, and most business owners don't even realize how much time they're losing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate that using Claude Code with zero coding, and by the end, you'll have your first workflow running. Let me show you what this actually looks like. We're talking writing a week's worth of social media captions in under a minute, sending a polished follow-up email while you're still in the room, turning a blank page into full website copy, and FAQs in 2 minutes flat. All done for you. Stick with me to the end because I'll walk you through 3 real automations you can set up today, and I'll give you the exact prompts to use. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming next. Claude Code isn't just another chatbot. It doesn't just answer questions. It actually does the work for you. Think of it like hiring a brilliant intern who works at the speed of a computer. You describe what you want in plain English, no coding required, and Claude Code figures out how to do it, writes the script, runs it, and hands you the result. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to hire a developer. You just need to know what's wasting your time. And I'm going to prove it right now. Here's the first one. If you've ever had to clean up a spreadsheet manually, like removing duplicates, fixing inconsistent data, sorting rows, you know how mind-numbing that is. I've got a customer list here. Phone numbers in 5 different formats. Duplicate rows scattered through it. Names in no particular order. Normally, you'd sit there and fix every single cell by hand. Here's what I do instead. Here's exactly what I type. Go to Claude Code. In this example, I'm getting my data from the customers folder located on my desktop. Type the prompt. I will put the exact prompt wording in the description below. Claude will generate the code to execute the prompt. Make sure to review the output and answer any follow-up questions Claude has to produce the desired result. Once Claude received all the information it needs, click the Allow Once button so Claude can execute your command prompt. Review the generated output to make sure Claude did it right. Once the AI finishes its task, I will check the result in the folder. Claude will give a summary report of every change made in the example file. You can make additional prompts when needed. Now look at the result. Every phone number is in the same format. There are no duplicates. The list is sorted alphabetically by last name. The clean file is saved and ready to use. A job that would have taken me 2 hours of tedious manual work, gone.
Here's the second automation example. Anyone who's ever downloaded photos from an event or saved invoices from clients or just let a downloads folder get out of control, you're going to feel this one.
I've got a folder here. IMG-4823, IMG-4824, document-final-v2 scan 001. I have no idea what any of them actually are. This is what I type. Go to Claude Code, then type the sorting prompt. I will put the exact prompt in the description below. As the output generates, you will see Claude sorting the individual files and placing them in separate folders. This will take a few minutes. As you can see, Claude is currently pulling together the JPEG files in one folder. Click Allow Once, so Claude will continue to sort the PDF files and other files in other folders. In this section, Claude reported the file types it found in the folder it is working on. It's asking questions about them, so it is clear about where they are supposed to go. Claude transformed a mix of disorganized files to 4 clean subfolders, every file named with a date and a description. I didn't touch a single one. That's a Saturday afternoon of manual organizing, done in about 2 minutes.
Here's the final example. This one's for anyone who has contracts, reports, or documents piling up that they know they should read, but never have time to.
I've got a pile of contracts in this folder, different clients, different terms, different deadlines buried somewhere in each one. Reading all files properly and pulling out what matters would take me an hour minimum. Here's the prompt. Type the summarization prompt. I'll put a copy of the prompt in the description below. Claude will give a step-by-step detailed report of the files and discrepancies it read in the example file. Claude finished the file summary, as you can see here. Check it for accuracy. One document, two summaries. Every deadline, every key term, every action item, right there in plain English. That's an hour of reading compressed into something I can scan in 2 minutes. The kind of thing that would cost you a $300 an hour consultant.
Most people will watch this and never use it. The ones who do, they're going to save hours every single week.
All right, you've seen what it can do. Let me show you exactly how to get started. And I promise this is simpler than you think. 1. Install Claude Code. Go to claude.ai/code and follow the installation guide. It takes about 5 minutes. You'll need a Claude account. There's a free tier to start. 2. Identify your number one time waster. Write down the one task in your business that you do repeatedly and hate. Just one. That's your starting point. 3. Write your first prompt. Open Claude Code. Describe your task in plain English, as if explaining it to a smart assistant. Claude will ask follow-up questions if it needs more detail. 4. Test, refine, set it loose. Run it once, see what happens, give it feedback. Within a few iterations, you'll have something running reliably in the background.
I'm dropping a free prompt template sheet in the description below. It has all 3 prompts from this video ready to copy, plus 5 more for common business tasks. No sign-up required. Just go grab it.
The business owners who start automating today are going to have a serious edge over the ones who wait. Not because AI is magic, but because time is finite, and getting your repetitive work off your plate means you can focus on strategy, on clients, on growth. Claude Code is one of the most accessible automation tools I've found, and I've tried a lot. The fact that you can describe what you need in plain English and actually get working results, that's a genuinely new thing, and it's available right now. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the one task in your business you would automate first if you could? I read every single comment, and I'll personally reply with a prompt suggestion for your specific situation. If you got value from this video, hit subscribe and the bell, because next week I'm going deeper. I'll show you how to build a full client onboarding automation that handles intake forms, welcome emails, project folder setup, and your first invoice. All automatically. You don't want to miss that one. If you do nothing else after this video, do this. Pick one task you repeat every week and automate it. Because once you see it work once, you won't go back. Thanks for watching, and go reclaim your time.
If you want to see more videos about Claude, check out the video here. See you in the next one.